All right, so we're going to do a little bit of vacuuming with our Dyson V8. First of all, we got to put it on. So you got to look for the red little button, and you're just going to crack it in there. And then we got to get our head on. We're going to do it the same way. Bam. And I'm going to just start. I'm going to start on low. Now I could go high, but that burns the battery out. So I'm going to go with this one. Here we go. And I just got to press this, and it goes. All right, we got that whole area there. Oh, one more. Done. All right, now let's go over here where we've got another mess. Bam, done. I'm sorry, honey, what did you say?
Give the plant a little shake since you have the bathroom right here. Just shake it all over again. All the leaves.
She wants me to shake the plant so that all the leaves fall off. Take a look at it. And now I'm going to clean up that mess. Here we go. Bam, done. Look at that, huh? Not bad. So we got that all done, right? So now I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to press this right here. Top that off. Set it down over there. Set this over here. And now we got to listen. Now we got to get the junk out of there. Right? So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. All right. So if you look on the very top, you're going to see a red button. And all of the stuff is inside there. You see that? So I just got to pull this and dump it in here. And it all comes out. You can look in there and make sure you got it all. And then you shut it, and then shut this. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You're ready to go for your next training. And I didn't really need to use the power button. I stayed right here, and it worked perfect. So you don't have to get that, get that crazy with it. Let's take a look at her head. And as you can see, looks pretty clean, right? Maybe a little piece there. A little piece here. We got a couple pieces. But you can go around and clean that too if you want. But this looks good. And we're done, man. We just cleaned it up. And so, highly recommend the Dyson. Yeah. All right, so now we just got to put it away. So I'm going to grab her. Just like this, we'll take it back in the garage and hang it back up on its charger. All right, so we're going to go over here and we set that down right there. And then what I'm going to do is I've got to come over to this is like its carriage, and I got to set this up in there like that. And then just put it like that, and you can see it's charging right there. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Done. And then this, I want to pop this off, and I'm going to put this one on like this, right? And the reason I'm doing that is because I've got a special way to hang this. I put a little hook up there, and then I can just put that right in there. And bam, that's that. And then this, you can see I've got my two brushes behind, and then I just put this one on here. And now I've got my Dyson all ready to go and charging. And that's how you do it.